Hey everyone, welcome back to your daily market close update for Thursday, April 2nd, 2026. Let's break down what happened today. The overall mood? Definitely mixed. We saw a split market with tech pushing higher but blue chips dipping slightly. Let's get into the numbers. The S&P 500 closed at 655.83, up a modest 0.09%. The Nasdaq edged a bit higher, finishing at 584.98, gaining 0.11%, but the Dow Jones slipped, closing at 465.06, down 0.09%. So a real tug of war between bulls and bears today. Now let's talk about the Magnificent Seven, because that's where the real action was. Tesla was the biggest mover of the day. And not in a good way. Shares tumbled 5.42%, closing at $360.59. That is a significant drop. And Tesla investors definitely felt that one. On the flip side, Microsoft was the standout winner. It climbed 1.11% to close at $373.46. Nvidia also had a solid session, rising nearly 1% to finish at $177.39. AI momentum continues to carry those two names. Meta pulled back slightly, dropping 0.8% to $574.46. Alphabet also drifted lower, falling just over 0.5% to close at $295.77. Alright, let's shift to commodities because oil absolutely stole the show. WTI crude surged over 11%, closing at $137.92 a barrel. That is a massive move, likely tied to ongoing Middle East tensions. Meanwhile, precious metals went the other direction. Gold fell 1.92% to $429.41. Silver dropped even harder, sinking 3.45% to $65.79. Investors appear to be rotating out of safe havens and pricing in energy supply risks. Over in crypto, it was a red day across the board. Bitcoin slipped 1.62%, settling at $67,010. Ethereum took a harder hit, falling 3.69% to $2,061.14. Not a great day for digital assets. Forex data was unavailable for today's session, so we'll skip that and move straight to the headlines. CNBC is reporting the Dow jumped 200 points to start April. Traders are betting the Middle East conflict could be nearing a resolution. That optimism clearly showed up in the early session before things settled down. In corporate news, Bloomberg reports Stellantis is in talks to manufacture Chinese electric vehicles at an idle plant in Canada. That's a fascinating development for the North American EV landscape. And if you're looking for deals, CNET highlighted the best Amazon spring sale finds under $25. Hey, not every headline has to move markets. So what should you be watching tomorrow? Keep a close eye on oil prices. An 11% move in a single day is extraordinary. Any updates on Middle East developments could push crude even further or trigger a sharp reversal. Also watch Tesla closely after that 5% drop. And with the new quarter just getting started, we could see more portfolio repositioning in the days ahead. That's your market wrap for April 2nd. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.